Mullet. Mullet. How are you, Mullet? Oh.
To the boat, that boat, man. Then we go to the ship. Dancing here, bro. We have to smoke first, bro. Can you dance, bro? Show me. Hairstyle. Mullet.
Molek.
Mullet. Wow. Mullet recorded.
San.
Hey, San.
Normal po.
What can it show? What can it show? Lang di sa lagi.
Mullet. 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 How are you, Mullet? All good, Mullet. Where we have to go, man? What's that, bro? Fjord. Hey, so today we are at Fjord, bro. It's about how many? Only 600 people, bro, living in Fjord, bro. Friend from Indonesia.
Okay, this is from Philippines, bro. What is our project today, bro?
Project will make a content
Make a content.
of how this snow will be going to the project in the toilet.
Okay, we have to smoke today, bro. Snowing, bro, snowing. Huh?
Nice,
Nice. Nice. Let's we smoke, bro. We go there, bro. Huh? What you doing, bro?
Just feeling the
Yo,
the
nice.
snow.
I will
like
feel it, bro.
this.
Oh, it's like ice, bro.
It's actually ice, yeah?
Oh,
it's water, you know?
Oh,
It's just
water.
frozen water.
Yeah.
I will throw this.
You can do like that. Especially, you know, when somebody are gone, then you put like throw it in the head.
Actually, this one water, my friend. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. She was speechless, bro.
This is the master of
Mother Chod.
Seven.
Deck 7. G Master. There, bro. That's really good, bro. Pertama kali, bro, di Fjord, Norway. Ini pertama kali salju datang. Kemarin-kemarin nggak ada salju datang. Jadi kita nyampe sini jam 11:20 lah. Kita nanti balik jam 12 pas. And then we arrive at the ship at 12:30. So 30 minutes from here. Man. Woo! Today I don't want to feel anything. Where? Oh, right there. Let's see. How work there? Sabrin.
Be careful, it's very slippery.
Hurry!
I don't need slippery if I say no.
Sabrin. What's that?
Snowman.
Snowman. Huh? Snowman.
For the guys they still at home.
Dia bikin.
Gini nih, besar banget nih.
Snowman. Dah, let's go smoke. Oh, slippery. Shush. Ngeri cuk.
Ngeri cuk. Kapan lagi kita
Gila. Ngeri cuk. Bro, ini satu kali seumur hidup ya.
Iya, kapan lagi kita kesini?
Apa? Kenapa, cuk?
Kapan
Itu
lagi?
salju cuk, salju.
Kapan
Cuk.
lagi kita nginjak
Salju,
es
salju.
begini?
Salju. Salju. Let's go there. Cuk, sana cuk. Oh, dingin cuk. Mulet. Aku mulet. We go there for smoke, bro. We go there for smoke. We go there for smoke. Cuk, koyo di warung ae rokokan di kene gue.
Iki nggur kurang angkringan sak sen Mas.
Angkringan, apa tulisannya iku?
Biasa Mas. I love you bojo Mas.
I love you bojone arek iki. Anjing. Mulet, I don't like picture.
Nya nambah.
Okay, guys, today I teach you how to make a snowman. Where? Here.
Sampahnya nggak enak sih.
Oh iya, samanya enggak ada. Berarti kita dari sini.
Yeah. The snowman.
Smoke na wan. Ikutan angkring.
I would no one here. Okay, guys. And
Ini kepalanya le.
where?
Tak kasihin kepala. Ini kepalanya nih le. Ah, kepalanya begini banget.
This is the head, bro. Snowman.
This is a dick.
Okay, see you, bro. Snowman. Justin, how are you, man?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
No, my channel, man.
My channel. Okay.
Your channel.
Subscribe channel of my friend
Okay.
Taufik
Putangina.
Rochman, the famous Pa in Perla.
In Perla. Okay. This is what it is, bro.
Hello, telepono asan ka?
Hello, Sabrina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good also.
Did you see my little snowman?
Oh, this is your little snowman.
Look at that.
Wow, that's cool. Really nice. Ooh, that's snowman. See? How is it? What did you feel here?
I've already been here before.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, but it was sunshine.
It's sunshine.
And there was a rainbow on top of the...
Really? Now it's nothing.
Well, there's
Okay,
no sun,
there's-
so
there's
there'll be a
the-
rainbow, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Just enjoy.
Just enjoy it.
And don't slip.
No, I'm not sleep, but very cold.
Wow! Probably very cold.
Yeah, I just
Why would you like undress? Why?
I just make my experience. Experiment.
Don't forget, we only have a little bit more left and then we have to go.
What a minute?
It's 9 minutes left.
9 minutes
9
left.
minutes.
Okay, 9 minutes left. We have to go.
Hi. Can we ask favor? Can you take us picture? All of
Of
us?
course I can.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sabrina, you are the best.
No, just
What's your name?
Sabrina.
Sabrina. Oh. Ja.
go by phone. Yours. Er moet onlangs vet.
Hij heeft tongkat. Hij heeft tongkat.
The boy who lived
My brother.
to die.
Hey. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter, my friend. Look at this.
Expelliarmus.
Oh, and then we got. Abrak.
There's a tradition in Germany what we usually
I don't know what it
Do you want to experience it?
Yeah, I want it. No. You fall. What is that?
It's bathing in
Snowy. It's hot.
cold, isn't it? Oh no.
I will try.
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's refreshing. but please never eat yellow snow.
Yeah?
That's usually piss. That's the rule. Never eat yellow snow.
No, I never eat yellow snow.
Never. It's not citrus.
Bro. Where do we have to go?
To the boat, that boat, man.
That boat, and then after that boat,
We jump.
Welcome to my clag. Follow up the clag, okay?
Hey, follow
Let's
up,
go.
bro. Let's go, bro. Why you cannot dance?
Why
bro?
they bring it here? What is
know.
here? Nothing, only water.
Man, beautiful girl, bro. Guys, can stand there, bro. Guys, say hi. We have to smoke first, bro. Can you dance, bro? Show me your talent, bro. Show me your talent, bro. There is the queen, bro. There is our queen. You know, guys, this Anthony hairstyle is mullet hairstyle. Mullet. Wah. Dari dolphin there, bro, ikut terrain krokodil. Play the krokodil. We go to the boat. Bahagia banget, bro. We go here with officer to the boat. Wow. Wow.
Really cold, huh?
Wow.
Wow.
Hi.
Oh my god, I see myself.
Yeah, you see yourself.
Enjoy.
Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
To the bus, I guess.
To the bus?
Over there.
And then I go. See you. Bye. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.
You too. Hey, man. Hi. Hey, how are you, man? I'm good. I'm you good. Peace. What is peace? No peace. No peace like this. Oh, nice. This is special, bro. Hey, Rahul. Priority. Hey, bro. What's up, bro? All good, my friend. Everything. Jadi di udara di sini itu udah minus, bro.
Then backwards and to the right, like that. That's important.
Hey, Mulet. Oi, man.
Anyhow, We are
Yeah, Mulet. We have to go.
innermost
Come.
part of the Hujan
And 50 meters.
Bridge of Crown.
Ooh. Titanic. Titanic, man. What is that? Oh, mirror. Where are you going?
Go round.
You all
Mulet. This cruise is the last, right?
Yeah, man.
From the Norway, and then where we have to go after this Norway cruise?
I think as far as fine in Pomasa.
Oh, Pomasa.
We go to
Caribbean.
Caravan.
Caravan. Okay, we have to go Caravan next cruise. Okay.
Yeah. So maybe that is very special place.
Very special place.
Why? Because there is no winter there.
No winter, only sun.
Only sunny.
Yeah.
Hot. Unlike here, it's a very cold man.
Here is very cold.
Yeah.
It's like a minus, right? The degree.
Later there we take shirts. We go to beach.
Oh, very boobies, very bikini girl. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, my friend. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Like, thumbs up, bro. Thank you. Cheers.